Yes, a good history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, the key point of the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sabote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batangas, Apal, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. And now it's gone to the southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Criadri, Islands Mall, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, famous in Siogat, coconut and corn. Ay, yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue, ay, yeah. Bohol, Samar, Leyte, ay, yeah. Iloilo, Cabisaclan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Tumaquete. And now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Rizales, Mambacaw, Butuan ng Busan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Ozames, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, yeah. Philippines is a great history. Ay, yeah. Manila is the capital city. Ay, yeah. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a capital country.